The video begins with an aerial view of Holycross Abbey, alongside the winding River Suir.
Nestled along the banks of the River Suir in County Tipperary, Holycross Abbey is a place where history, faith and legend intertwine. Just 10 minutes from the Rock of Cashel, this beautifully restored 12th century Cistercian monastery stands as a testament to Ireland's rich heritage.
Interior of church with pews and Gothic window.
Founded in 1182, the abbey flourished for centuries before falling into ruin. But after meticulous restoration in the 20th century, it was brought back to its former glory and remains an active place of worship where visitors can experience a deep sense of reverence and tranquility.
Close-up of the relics of the True Cross.
A site of living faith, the abbey is also home to two revered relics of the True Cross of Christ that have drawn visitors for generations.
Aerial view of Holycross village showing the abbey and cottages.
Holycross village itself holds its own folklore, like the story of the good woman's son, which explains how these relics came to be housed here.
Close-up of carvings followed by exterior of the cloisters.
Whether drawn by history, legend or devotion, Holycross Abbey offers a timeless journey into Ireland's spiritual and cultural heart.
View of cloisters with blue sky.
Holycross Abbey, where history, mystery and faith converge.
Revolving aerial view of Holycross Abbey.
Come and walk in the footsteps of the ancient monks. Explore its story for yourself.
This video is co-funded by the Government of Ireland and the European Union through the EU Just Transition Fund.